Next up, we have Waterford, New Jersey, Team 1, a Mission 11 Finalist Proposal.
Our experiment is Perfect Crystals in Space by Kevin Watson, Aidan Lucas, Ryan Long, Guy DeFabridis, and Matthew DeStefano. We are from Waterford Township School District in Waterford, New Jersey.
My name's Kevin Watson. I'm a co-principal investigator.
My name is Ryan Long, and I'm a co-principal investigator.
My name is Guy DeFabridis. I am a co-investigator.
My name is Aidan Lucas, and I'm a co-investigator.
My name is Matthew DeStefano, and I'm a co-investigator.
And our teacher facilitator was Deborah Parker.
Our group wants to find out if crystals will grow more perfectly on Earth or space. We have conducted this experiment on Earth to compare what it would be like in space. By conducting our experiment on Earth, the ISS will know which environment the crystals will grow more perfectly in.
We want to know the difference in crystal formation in different settings. We think that if our hypothesis is correct, it could lead to new understanding on growth and formation in space.
We think that we could grow a more perfect crystal in a microgravity environment than one's grown on Earth. We think we'll be able to grow crystals more perfectly on the ISS because there will be no gravity to cause deformations.
What we will be using: potassium, aluminum sulfate, distilled water, blue food dye, and the Type 2 FME mini lab.
Once on the ISS, unclamp tube and shake vertically up and down until the sulfate dissolves. Rest FME in a vertical position with the liquid on the bottom and droplets on top.
Here are some facts we found while we were researching. When an electric current is sent through some crystals, they vibrate at a very specific rate. Watchmakers use this and quartz crystals to make watches. Another fact we found is crystals are all around you. For example, table salt, lasers, snowflakes, and pencil lead are all examples of crystals. Crystals are actually keeping people alive. One crystal is insulin. 9.3% of Americans are diabetic and they need insulin to survive.
We would like to give a special thanks to Dr. Goldstein, Waterford Township School District, Flynn Scientific, Miss Parker, SSEP, Subaru of America Incorporated, and CASAS.
Do we have any questions for this team?
I'm Charlotte. I'm from Vista, and my question is, do you think that time would affect your experiment?
What do you mean?
Do you think that you would have enough time for the crystals to grow within the within the time on the ISS?
We would be just growing this crystal seeds, and then once they get back on Earth, we would be growing the crystals, and we would compare the crystals grown from crystal seeds and the crystals grown from in space and the crystals grown from crystal seeds on Earth.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Hi, I'm Evie from Vista, California. I was wondering, you talked about deformities in the crystals. Could you elaborate on that, that you get on Earth?
Well, the crystals, they have, when they're growing, they should be a perfect crystal is perfectly shaped, and there could be a bend or in a crystal, or one side could be longer. And in space, we hope that those deformities would not happen.
Thank you, gentlemen.